we have question number 15. This is coming from lesson 4.4. I didn't talk about this one in class, so I'm going to talk about it now. It's not as difficult as you would think, so I think the video should be enough for it. It is about transformations. In grade 8, you should have learned about transformations. We have 4 kinds of transformations. There are translations, rotations, reflection, and dilation. Remember, transformation means to move a shape. So we want to move it without changing it. So in this lesson, we are talking about how to make a translation of this line. The line that you see when you have the y-intercept is 0 and the slope is positive 1. We call it a parent function. We have this thing called f of x. Do not let this thing f of x make you scared about math or nervous. It is just a fancy way to say y. It's another way to say y equal. But when we're talking about functions, we use f of x. And so in this lesson, we have to use translation. And translation means that we should slide. When we slide something, we slide it left, we slide it right, we slide it up, we slide it down. So this lesson wants to know how to slide the line. How can we move the line up, down, left, right? Okay, it's mostly what they want. So here, you know this word vertical already, yes or no?
Yes.
How does vertical go?
What?
Vertical,
Two
how does it
line,
go?
two line, like
Vertical, if I tell you vertical, how will you move?
positive.
Horizon. دقيقة دقيقة دقيقة.
You would,
It's go up.
and up
And going down.
and down. Okay, so you know this word vertical. Vertical means that you're going up or down. So we want to make a vertical translation. We want to make a vertical slide. You already know these movements. If k is positive, where do you think we're going to slide? It's vertical, yeah? And k is positive. Where are we going for a positive? Move where?
Move up.
Move up. And if k is negative, we're going to move where?
Move up.
Positive is move up. Negative is move
Down.
Down.
down. خلاص. That's it.
Miss, can you lower your voice شوية؟
You want me to lower it?
يعني قصدي height معلش. Height.
Higher?
Because I don't hear.
I can't higher it too much. I'm not in a good position.
Okay, sorry.
Okay. So, okay. So this one, the vertical translation. It just means to move up or down. You're going to slide up or you're going to slide down. The k is here. You have x plus k. If this number is positive, you're going to move where?
Up.
And if this number is negative, you're going to move where?
Down.
Down.
That's it. Okay, so let's try it. Focus here. Do not focus on g of x. We don't care about that. We care about x subtract 2. We have to decide the constant. Is it inside the group? Is it inside parentheses? Or is the constant not inside the group? Decide which one. This negative 2, it's in parentheses or it's not in parentheses?
In parentheses.
Where's the parentheses?
This
This yellow have parentheses?
no.
Okay, so is it in parentheses or out parentheses?
Out parentheses.
Okay, so we're going to call this one K. It's called K. What number is K?
2. 2.
I
Positive
don't
2.
Oh, I don't know it.
Positive 2.
How it's positive 2?
Sorry, negative 2. Negative.
So K is negative 2. So it means we're going to move 2 units up or 2 units down.
2 units down.
Okay, so we're going 2 units down. So this line, it's starting here at 0. The y-intercept is 0. We have to move it down. How many did you say? 2. So the line has to go down 2 spaces. This is all. Try again. Focus on this part. X plus 3.
3.
We want to know, is the constant H or is it K?
It is
The
K.
constant is in the group or the constant is not inside the group.
It is not inside the group.
So we call it K.
K.
What number is K?
Positive 3.
It's positive 3. So we're going to go 3 units up or 3 units down.
3 units up.
So the line, we should move it
Up.
3 units up. So the line is going to go from 0 up
To
3
3.
units. We slide it up. That's all the lesson is about, to slide. Then we have horizontal. How does horizontal go?
Right, left.
Okay, so it goes left and it goes right. For horizontal, we have H. H is in the group with the X.
Mhm.
If H is positive, which way do you move?
Right,
Right. If H is negative, which way do you move?
left.
Left. You already know the movements. I told you guys. So
Yes.
again, horizontal translation is a horizontal slide. It means we're going to slide the line left or we're going to slide the line right.
لا أريده. لا.
If it's
أنا
positive,
أبغاه الحين أريده لو سمحت روح انقل عن قدامي.
if it's positive, we go right. If it's negative, we go left. Same movements we've already been doing. Now, this is the formula. X subtract H plus K. You have to know it for yourself because the Wizara is not going to tell you this one. So I'll say it again correctly. It is G of X equal X subtract H plus K. What's the main thing you need to remember? H is inside the group and K is outside of the group. This part in the beginning, the G of X, it's not very important. What is the important thing to know? Where is H and where is K? H belongs in the group. K belongs outside of the group. Everybody clear about that?
Yes.
Okay. So let's try again. Vertical means that you're going to go up or down. This one, the constant is a positive 2, so my line should move up. This constant is a negative 2, so my line moves
Down.
down. Okay. This one, you have to be careful about H. H is tricky. It wants to trick you. What do you see with your eyes? You see what's constant. What number is with X?
Positive 4.
You see a positive 4, but really it is a negative 4. How? How does that happen? Yeah, you guys always want to know how. See the formula. X subtract. You have to put parentheses here. So this x is, this constant is a negative 4. If I put negative 4 inside this parentheses, okay, I have a negative, multiply a negative, gives me a what? Anybody? A negative times a negative? Okay.
1 minute.
Positive.
Positive.
Perfect.
So we get x plus 4. That is why the line is moving left, because the number is negative 4. It should be going left. This one, you have x subtract 4. What do you see with your eyes?
Negative.
You see a negative 4, but really it is a
Positive 4.
positive 4.
We
How
change.
does that work? Same. We have x subtract the number for h. If the number for h is positive 4, okay, you have a negative, multiply a positive, gives you a negative. So listen to me and listen to me closely. You only have to memorize it for this question. Please know it is the opposite of what you see for the horizontal. I understand that you see positive 4, but you have to know in your mind to make it negative 4. I know you see a negative 4, but you have to make it positive 4 for the h. It's only for h. It's not about that. It's only special for h. It is opposite of what you see. Somebody say it again.
How do you know if it's horizontal or vertical? Will there be a graph for it?
They will give you equation like this.
Yes, but I mean, like, how will we know if it's vertical or horizontal?
Because you have to vertical and horizontal. Is the number inside the group or outside the group?
Okay, thank you, Miss.
Right? The horizontal, the number is inside the group. The vertical, it's outside the group. But for the horizontal, remember, it is opposite of what you see with your eyes. It's only for h. So let's try one. Focus here. The number we see, is it called h or we call it k?
H.
H. How do you know it's h?
Because it's in the group.
It's in the group. Now, what do you see with your eyes?
Positive.
You see a positive.
Negative.
But
You
it
see
is negative.
we see positive.
Yes.
But we should write what down for the answer?
-5.
Negative.
Should be -5. It means we're gonna go 5 units left or 5
Left.
units right?
Left.
Left. So the line we have, we're going to take it and we're gonna move left 5 units. So slide it 5. Only this. Try again. See this part? The number, is it H or K?
It is H because it is inside the group.
It is H because it is inside the group.
Mhm.
What do you see with your eyes?
I see negative, but it is positive 4.
Correct. So we're going to go 4 units
To the right.
to the right. So the line, it's starting here. We're going to move it 4 units to the right. Everybody's okay about H.
Yes.
That's it. So here we have both. H is inside the group and K is outside the group. So H, what do you see with your eyes?
I see -4, but it is +4.
+4. So +4 units what?
Right.
Right. What number is K?
+3.
+3. So 3 units
Up.
up. So this line, we're going to move it right 4 and up 3. So should be here. So the line will slide right 4 and up 3. Here's a question from an old exam. It says describe the transformation g of x is equal to x subtract 2 subtract 8 as it relates to the graph of the parent function. So fine. What number is h?
-2, but it is +2.
It should be +2. So 2 units what?
Right.
Right. And what number is k?
-8.
-8.
8 -8 unit down.
Only that. Which answer choice is correct?
B.
B. That's it. I hope you see the same multiple choice question like this. So what's the hard thing about this question? First, you have to know where is H and where is K. H is in the group, K is out the group. And H, special for H. It is opposite of what you see with your eyes. Whatever you see in the group, you should make it opposite. If you know these two things, class, you can take it correct. Okay, this one, I gave you the workbook. I made a mistake here. It shouldn't be X, it should be constant. So if you have the workbook, change it to the constant is inside the group or the constant is not inside the group. Okay, but practice them. Here's the equation. You should be able to say the movement. Is the line going to move up, down, left, right, or both? So this is question number 15, and I put it as medium because if you forget about the part with H, maybe it might be tricky for you.